So this one's me being a bit like, I'm moving around, I'm moving my arm. I'm getting excited about the video in this camera. This is the PDW5849. It's an 8 megapixel camera which is made up of 2 4 megapixel lenses.
Configuration set, and all you've got to do then is go and deploy it. Plug them in, screw it to the wall, screw it to the ceiling, screw it wherever you want. I don't know what I'm talking about there.
Hi guys, it's Owen from Mast, and today we're going to be checking out some of the NETVIO stuff.
You're not live.
Yeah. Forgot what I was going to say there for a second. So now that I'm using the NETVIO Go software, or the app, not software. So when I tap that 3 dots, you can actually see that different areas in the premises. So you can control different audio in up to 4 different zones of the premises. Why continue? Why did I continue? And now over to Alistair to talk more about our partnership. No, I said it the wrong way. Howie.
It's really sturdy, very strong, making a perfect connection to make that sound great. With a couple more specialised speakers, being the angled speaker, the TX2 speaker, and the controlled performance speaker.
So once again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Cheers. That was.
And I will see you in the next video.
Bye.
Bye! Bye! Bye bye!